case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1964 case of Succession of Heckert, the Louisiana Court of Appeal dealt with a dispute over the ownership of 10 shares of S.H. Kress & Company. The surviving husband owned half of the shares, and the two children inherited the other half after the death of their mother. However, the husband kept the stock certificates and collected the dividends, leading the children to take legal action against the husband's second wife. They claimed that donations of shares made by the husband to his wife were invalid and against their rights as forced heirs. The court had to determine the type of usufruct for common stock, the plaintiff's property rights and stock certificates held by the deceased and his second wife, and whether the legislation dealing with the transfer of stock had nullified the previous case's holding. The court ruled that a holder of a perfect usufruct on common stocks could not sell or transfer the interests or property rights of the naked owners without their permission. Ultimately, the court found that shares of capital stock could not be subject to an imperfect or quasi-usufruct, and awarded the petitioners the 300 shares held by Mr. Heckert. The forced portion included a quarter of a certificate and half of Mr. Heckert's one-half ownership in other certificates. The court also reduced donations made by Mr. Heckert to the respondent by 100 shares, and ordered the respondent to return 150 shares, pay $1,100 for 55 shares, and give or pay the petitioners 100 shares.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.